Oh hey, you caught me playing Angry Birds. Playing games can be a lot of fun. It can be challenging, it can be exciting. Physics class, well, it's challenging at times, but it's not always exciting and fun. But what if we designed our physics class so it was more like a game? In fact, what if it was a game? What if instead of coming to class and listening to me lecture about physics, you came to class and you completed missions instead? Those missions will obviously involve learning about physics. Maybe you'll have to do a lab or solve some sort of physics problem. But just like in a game, you can work at your own pace. I'll still be here to help you if you have problems, to guide you through the missions. But for the most part, it'll be up to you to make your way through the game. The other thing I like about games is when you make a mistake like I just did, you can always hit reload and try again. Physics class isn't always like that. Sometimes when you make a mistake, you're kind of stuck with that bad grade. In essence, you start out the year with a perfect score of 100%, and then every time you make a mistake, your grade slowly gets less and less. In a game, though, it's the opposite. You start out at 0 and you build up points. Our physics class is going to be like that. I'm going to give you a set of objectives that you have to complete. If you look at the home page of our game, you'll see that the first link is the scoring guide. And in that guide, you'll see all of the different objectives that you have to complete. The first one being write a formal lab report based on experimental data. So one of the missions that you'll have to complete in this course is to collect experimental data, write it up as a formal lab report. Maybe the first time you submit a lab report, you won't get 3 stars. You might only get 1 star. But maybe by the third or fourth lab report, you'll have mastered that objective. Once you've achieved 3 stars on an objective, you don't have to attempt it anymore. You can just move on. Let's go back to our home page. You'll see a series of missions that you have to complete here. We take a look at the first mission. There's the mission description, pages from our textbook or our agent manual that might be relevant, some mission documents, things like answer keys to practice questions will be in there. Here's a lab that I could try. There'll be other things like video instructions like this video that I'm making right now. But eventually what you'll want to do is click on complete the mission and actually finish this section and move on to the next mission. So I hope having this course set up as a game will make it more interesting to you.